Hi, beautiful people. Welcome back again to Comfort Family TV. Yes, a place of love. Yes, if you're just coming across our video, please do subscribe, like, and share. As you can see in my video today, I'll be preparing meat pie. Those things I was displaying are the things I will be needing for the meat pie sauce. Now I'm adding my oil to the pot. You can see that is onions, yes. Hey, this lady today fast forward. That is my paprika, yes. Slice and fry with your onions. And this is the meat I am using for the meat pie. This is the meat I am using. Then you add your meat to your onions and your paprika, which is already cooked, and then you stir. You As you can see me stirring. Me, I'm not the finish for stirring. Now this is your salt, your spices, as in the things you need to add to bring out the taste you want. You understand? Everybody have their own seasoning. You can add your own seasoning, the one you know say is good for you, the one you know that is, as in, you like. My seasoning you might not like, and all I know be say add seasoning when you know say you like. Okay. And then after that, I covered and I allowed the meat to cook with the uh, now I'm not add water. I'm going to add water. This is Now I am adding my water. This water is for the meat to be cooked. You understand? Because we are doing meat pie. We have to allow the meat to cook. You know, when you do your meat pie now, it's not something you will be cooking before eating. This is my nourished potato sliced. I added it and I cook for some time before I add my carrot, because that is how I like it. Normally you can add it together at the same time, but that is how I like it. While doing that, this is my flour. I'm going to mix with water. Make sure you mix it very well. Allow the flour to be mixed well. Then after this cooked, I'm going to be adding this mixed flour to it. As in, I'm adding it to bring out, you understand, to bring out the, as in, it's going to, while adding this, it's going to make the this sauce to be, as in, oh my god, I want to speak this English now. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. Let me leave the English for another day. As you can see, you go make a day like that as you take this here soon. Now you don't understand. Grammar not be for everybody. Not be for me. So we have already finished doing that. I need to put it in the bowl to allow it to cool down. Then while doing that, this is my flour. This is my dough, and this is my flour. I mixed it with nutmeg, baking powder, and a little salt. Yes, yeah. This is my dough, and adding my butter to mix with it, and also I will also be adding egg to it. Now I'm going to be doing it so fast. As you can see, I use milk. You can also use water for yours. Yes, not compulsory you must use milk. You can add water. Here you see, and the dough was really much. I have to put it on the floor to make sure I mix it very well, because I was doing a lot of meat pie that day. Yes, so allow it to cool down for like 40 to 50 minutes, even an hour, no problem. Then this is how, because the dough is very much, you have to remove cut the one. You have to do step by step. While doing that, you tie the rest not to, for it not to dry up. As you can see, this is how I make it. You can do yours like this anyhow you want to do, and so far say you do meat pie. You understand? Hey, so After that, you need your roller to roll the dough. Roll it, roll it, roll it to the shape you want it to shape. And before doing this, make sure your sauce is cold. You understand? Your sauce that you'll be adding, and this is it. This is how I prepared my this thing. Remove the excess, and I will be needing my fork for this. Give it a beautiful shape, a beautiful design. You see, a beautiful design. Give it. That is how it is. That is how it is being done. Very easy homemade meat pie. Hey. Oh guys, hope you guys are enjoying this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, Comfort Family TV. And again, drop down your comment, like, and please share with love. Yes, love, love, love. You see, now this is ready to go. This is how I do it. I have to add some design. You make it more beautiful now. Put some holes so that when you are baking it, the thing will, oh my god, I don't even know how to say it. This is my egg, my raw egg. I have to apply it because I like it. So apply this, so when this meat pie is baked, you will see the beauty of meat pie. You will see the beauty of meat pie. Oh my god, you will see. If you can try your soon. When you don't apply egg and when you put egg, you see the difference now. You know that there is a difference between meat pie and meat pie. This is it too. This is my meat pie baked in the oven, ready to be consumed to the stomach. Oh my god, what am I saying? What am I saying? Comfort, what are you saying? What are you saying? Oh my god, look at my meat pie. Are you not saying? Are you not saying? Oh, please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share as well. Bye. See you in our next video.